Hi friends, good evening, right? And welcome to AIT, Academy of Information Technology. So friends, we are going to learn how to create a macro, right? So for beginners, those who don't know how to create a macro, so this is very basic steps how to create a macro or my first macro. So let us start. You can see here, right? This is the Excels. So either you can press Alt F1 or you can go by with the menu, right? And you can go into the macro module, right? So best option is, let me press Alt F1 and you will find this is the editor screen. Go to the inserting module. You can see module. So you can see two screen over here, right? Let me close this one. So when you click on insert module, you will get a screen like this, and this is the module name. Let me rename this. Okay, you can, sorry, I just put over here, rename this macro as a first first mac. You can see it's renamed, right? The spelling is wrong, let me correct it. Right, this is first macro. So this is one module, right? And we'll talk on later session. So what you can do, likewise, I want to create a first macro. That's a, you want to create a first procedure, right? So this is a procedure only. So I'll get a sub my underscore first underscore back and the spaces button. Once you press the enter button, you will find end sub at the bottom of over here, right? So let me create my first macro. I just want to print hello. So just print a hello debug dot print hello. Should be is done. Now the macro is created, right? So now how to view the, how to run the macro and where we can see the result. Currently this is just I'm printing, I'm not using, I don't printing on the, I'm not writing the name on the Excel cell, or I'm not using the Excel cell. This is our first macro, right? So let us, to get the immediate window, you know, to, if you want to see the result, so we need to have the immediate window. And how can we get it? Just press Ctrl Z. You can see here immediate window. Just place your cursor between sub and end sub and press F5. You'll see the result. Hello, I am Sylvie. Hello, I am Sylvie. This is your first macro, right? So you can save this file as a macro. Let me go here. Save as AIT and save as Excel macro enabled workbook, right? It's a macro enabled workbook, and I'm creating first Mac. This is safe, right? And if you go and view, and if you'll see macros, view macros, you can see the my first macro. Even you can run this one from here, right? So but you will not able to see the result because we are displaying, we're just printing, right? So you can see the result is printed over here. Second option is, right, if you don't want to go over there, you want to display to the message box, right? The same thing, what I will do, I'll just set a message box. Okay, I'll save it again. Now let me run this one. You will find hello, I am Survey, right? And you can check this macro from here as well. Just view macros, run. Hello, this is a macro box, sorry, message box, and the result will be displayed over here. Another thing I want to, you know, like there are two sheets over, let me sheet 1 and sheet 2. So I want to display in sheet 1 in cell A1 the same thing. So what you can do, let me comment this one, you can give a comment like over here. So the first step is you need to select a sheet. First step is you need to select a sheet. So what's the sheet name is here? Sheet 1, right? So what we can do, walk sheets, what the sheet name? Sheet 1 dot. Now sheet 1, the, you need to identify the range. Range means that's a cell. Likewise, this is the cell A1. You can see this is the cell B1. This is cell A3, column A4, row number 4, right? So you need to identify the cell as well. So let me go to the range a1, right, that value. So this is a string, right, and let me paste over here. Okay, let me save this one code and place the cursor here and just press here. Let us see hello I am Survey is printed. So this is how you can create your first macro, right friends? Hope this is all clear. Let me delete this one, and again I can run it from here as well. View macros, run. You can see this is printed. So I hope friend this is clear and you learned how to create first macro. Hope you enjoy the video friends. Have a good day.